excuse my appearance. I just woke up and I have not gotten ready for the day yet, but today is the day before the first day of a new semester, so there's a lot of things that I need to do now that I'm back on campus after break. I need to find my classrooms. Hopefully the buildings are open today so that I can actually go inside and find where exactly my classrooms are in each building, because for me the hard part of having a new schedule isn't really finding the buildings, because Google Maps usually does that pretty well, but the hard part is just navigating the insides of these huge buildings and trying to find individual classrooms, especially like the smaller classrooms are super hard to find. So that's what I'll be doing for most of today. I think that'll take quite a bit of time because I'll be running around campus, and then I just need to get some stuff logistically sorted out for my classes before they start. Some of my professors have already posted readings and assignments, so I'm gonna hopefully start on those. I'm not entirely sure how much I'll be able to get done, but yeah, I got back to campus yesterday evening and I'm already in kind of like a weird mood because I came back and the front door of my apartment was unlocked and a light was left on inside, and it was very obvious that no one has been here in weeks because of break. So the last person to leave did not turn off the light or lock the front door, so I double checked everything and all my stuff is here, but that could have ended up really bad. And this isn't the first time that my roommates have forgotten to lock the door or turn off a light. Usually I'm the one to do it, and I've told them multiple times to remember to do it, and I've texted them about it, I've put sticky notes up, I've written things on our whiteboard, and nothing seems to be working, and I'm just tired of repeating myself. So yeah, this semester is not off to a great start so far, but hopefully things get better. My classes are looking a lot easier than the class that I was taking last semester, my programming class that I was taking last semester, so there's that at least. I am still waitlisted for one of my classes, which really sucks, and I'm really far down on the waitlist, so I really don't think that I'll be taking that class this semester. And I'm debating just dropping it now so that it doesn't become something that I stress about, because I know that once I actually start going to classes, I'm gonna feel pressured to keep up with that class, and I will be taking it in a later semester if I'm not able to take it this semester. So even if I do get started on some assignments and things, it wouldn't be the biggest deal because then I'll just have that work done for the next semester. But I think some of it is like group work, so it might get a little bit complicated, and I think the best thing for me to do is just drop it. I think I'm gonna wait until I get like an official email or announcement from that class, because so far they haven't even posted the syllabus or anything, so I'm not even sure what their policy is for waitlisted students. But yeah, that was a lot of rambling, so I'm going to get on with my day and hopefully vlog before my roommates get back from break. They are probably coming back today because, like I said, today is the last day before the semester starts, and I want to get in as much footage as possible because it's a little bit difficult to vlog with my roommates actually being here, because I do share a room and we have shared spaces like the kitchen and the living room and the bathroom. So let's get started. Hopefully today is going to be a pretty productive day. Also, a side note, it is literally freezing in here and my thermostat is not working. Like, I will literally show you right now. Like, none of the buttons do anything, so. I'm going to start my morning pretty slow. I like to take most mornings pretty slow just because mornings are when I feel the most anxious about everything that I have to get done, and just being able to relax in the morning is super helpful. So I'm just gonna watch a few YouTube videos on my iPad while I eat breakfast. I'm probably just gonna continue watching Chandler Ainsley's Chanmas series that she came out with in December. I have been watching it over winter break, and I also watched a few more episodes this morning. For lunch that day, I just had some tortellini pasta with pesto sauce, which is one of my favorite meals ever, and I also washed some grapes and had those. If you've gotten to this point in the video, I'd love it if you could comment your favorite type of fruit. I think mine would have to be mangoes, peaches, or apricots. I honestly can't decide. Anyway, after I ate lunch, you'll get to see me attempting to find my classes, which honestly went better than expected. All of my classes this semester, except for one of them, are about a 10-minute walk away from my apartment, and although I hate walking outside in the cold, it's kind of nice because I get to listen to a lot of songs on my playlist as I walk to class. I'm sure I'll enjoy the walks a lot more when it starts to get warmer though. In this clip, I was doing some readings for my Python programming class. I usually just highlight important things and then I make some condensed typed notes on Google Docs afterwards. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I will see you next week.